Probability. Probability for our purposes on the SAT is outcomes that you want over the total number of outcomes. This little formula can be used for pretty much any SAT probability problem. You've got to figure out the number of outcomes that you want, and you have to divide that by the total number of outcomes. In cases where you have probability that depends on two independent outcomes, you can simply multiply the probabilities. So for example, let's say you want a probability of, you're going to flip a coin twice, and you want it to be heads both of the times. So my first throw, when I first flip it, my probability of getting heads is 1/2. And then when I flip it the second time, my probability of getting a heads is also 1/2. And that's why, just let me get this out of the way, and that would be 1/2 times 1/2, which will give me 1/4. So my probability of getting two heads in a row is 1/4. Because again, the probability depends on two independent outcomes, and I can simply multiply the probability. So my probability of getting heads was 1 out of 2. Then again, the probability of getting heads is 1 out of 2. Multiply both, and you get 1/4.